Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can compress the size of your PDF file. Now, for any reason, if you want to compress the size of your PDF file, then uh, the best method is to do it using the Adobe Acrobat PDF Reader. But that comes with a particular subscription fees. And if you can't afford to pay the particular fees, then you can use free online tools to compress the PDF file. I'll show you how it's done. First, let's open a Google Chrome. And now you need to go to the search bar and search for this particular keyword which says compress PDF online. Once you hit the enter key, you can go to any of the websites which offer size reduction. Now, for example, I click on this particular website. From here, you can select any PDF file that you want. Here I have this particular file which says P1, and here you can notice that its size states that it is 1.88 megabytes. Now let's click on the open button, and here you can see that the file has been loaded. Now we have been given compression levels which says extreme compression with less quality and high compression, recommended compression which is good quality and good compression, and then there is less compression which will give you high quality results but less compression. Now according to your suitable needs, you can choose any of the three options. I'll go with the recommended option. Now all you need to do is click on this compress PDF button right here. Once you do, it will load it and it will compress your PDF file. And here you can see that my PDF file is now 50% smaller, which was from 1.8 MBs to just 972 kilobytes. Now the file has been downloaded, and here you can see that the size is just 973 kilobytes, which is great and works well. Now, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.